Hello Miss Snow, welcome to my vlog 8. So for my vlog, as usual I'll be talking about what have I learned, the thing or things I'm unsure of, and also how the lesson will help me in my future teaching and learning. So first I'll talk about what have I learned in last week's class. So last week's main theme was all about e-learning ecologies. So the first thing that I learned was like how the earth has its own biological system, or I mean biology ecology. So does e-learning too, and in e-learning it's called e-learning ecology. um, and then next I learned that e-learning ecology, okay, uh, like how the concept of biological biology ecology help us explain the relationship among all the different elements on earth. um, E-learning ecology is almost similar. E-learning ecology is a concept that is used to help us identify all the different elements, all the different roles played by different people or species in the e-learning system. So it helps us view the e-learning system as a whole. And then the third thing is that although we can view e-learning as a whole through an ecology, however, it's also important to note that the ecology of e-learning is affected by the personal view or personal ecology of the learner. Since the learner is the central species in e-learning, so therefore they play a major role in e-learning. So how their their perspective and their views and their load on e-learning will all determine how motivated they are to cope with e-learning and therefore make the e-learning process a success. Uh, okay. Secondly, I'll talk about the thing or things that I'm unsure of. Uh, like like how the earth has its own ecology and it's called biology ecology, and in biology ecology it explains about the different elements in earth and their relationship, and like how e-learning ecology explain all the different relationship between the elements in e-learning. But my question is, what exactly is ecology of games? What does it shows? What relationship does it shows? um, and also like how is ecology of games relevant to e-learning? Yeah, so that's the thing that I'm really puzzled with. So basically it's what is e-learning ecology, sorry, what is ecology of games and how is it relevant to e-learning? Yeah. And yeah, the third thing that I'll talk about is how did the lesson last week, or I can say reading, since I did some reading, will help me in my future teaching and learning. So the first thing is that actually, to be honest, I really like how you related our lesson with the reading on e-learning ecology, which is what you did was you made us understand the biological ecology and then showed videos and so on, so that we got a brief concept about what is ecology. And then later on, once I learned what is biology ecology, I found it like very easy. I found it much more easier to gain information from the reading and also from the concept of e-learning ecology. So in future I too will activate my students prior knowledge and make the lesson relevant to them. Okay. And then next thing is that I'll be aware that while in class, not my students and I are not the only species involved in e-learning. I'll realize that there's a broader range of species. Okay, I'll be more aware of other people too, such as admin support, library, e-learning designers, admin, and also other teachers. All of them play a equally important role in the e-learning ecology, and therefore I will not hesitate to seek help and advice from them too. And okay, Lastly, I'll be aware that my students are the main species in e-learning, so therefore I have to cater to their needs. So therefore I have to gain as much feedback from them, and then use the feedback to pace my learning, pace my instruction, whether online or in class, okay, so that they will be motivated to study. And that's all for my vlog 8. Thank you.